Hi, I'm Lisa, and I am going to make a review on the SodaStream. I was at a backyard event yesterday and somebody asked about the SodaStream, and I cannot sing its praises. The reason I'm making this video is because when I considered buying one, I tried to do the research on the internet, and the majority of the research I came across said that this was not a good machine, that it didn't really give you the bubbles that you wanted, and that's so far from the truth. And I'm so happy I have this. Gone are the days that I'm lugging all these great big bottles back home and finding that when I get 2/3 the way through the bottle, bubbles are gone. And bubbles are important in our water. So this is a SodaStream, and I'm going to demonstrate how to use this machine right now. I always start with filtered water. So I've run it through the Brita, and then I put some shungite crystals in there to even further purify the water. This bottle came with the SodaStream. This bottle right here, it's a plastic bottle. So you fill it up. They give you a line here. You fill it up to the line. Try and do this so you can see. Here we have 3 levels. So once you pop the bottle in, you press this down and you hold this, and the lights will come on. So if you only want a couple of bubbles, release it at the first, when the first light appears. If you want more, release it at the second light, and third light will give you maximum. I actually, because I love bubble water or sparkling water or champagne water, the way I see it, I let it go a second or two longer than when the light appears, the top light appears. I hope that makes sense. Anyways, here we go. So you pop it in, you push it back, and then hold it down. So there's the first light, second light, third light. I'll hold it for a second or two longer, and I'll release it. And look at that. Look at that champagne water. And then because this is a plastic bottle, what I do is I pour it into a glass bottle. Everybody knows plastics aren't good, so I just use it to fizz up the water, and then I store it in a glass bottle. And this glass bottle is really good. It's got an airtight cap. Whoop, a little too much. So it has an airtight cap, and there we go. Where can you get this bottle? I was looking for the bottles online, and they were quite pricey. And then I went to a place called Aldi for all the Americans, and you guys know the Aldi store, they're everywhere. I bought the Journey to France sparkling pink lemonade. Well, clearly it's all sugar water, so I dumped it, and I'm using this. It was a lot cheaper to buy. I think I just paid like $2, $3 for the bottle, so it was a lot cheaper to get it. And these bottles are excellent, really good. So there's my champagne water, and like I said, I felt compelled to make this video because when I considered buying it, because I was so fed up of hauling all these bottles back, the majority of the information that I found on the net regarding this SodaStream wasn't favorable. A lot of people said, yeah, you don't get enough bubbles, and so I didn't buy it. So I went through a year without it, and then my daughter said, what? No, go get it, it's amazing. Just so you know, this, you don't plug it in or anything, it's just like this, so you can carry it everywhere with you. How this works is they have, in the back, you have a cylinder, a CO2 cylinder. So what you do once the CO2 cylinder is empty, you unscrew it from the back, you take it to a Walmart, a Canadian Tire if you're in Canada, or if you're in the US, Best Buy sells it, Walmart sells them, the refills. You just go to the customer service. Don't go to the shelf area because they sell brand new ones and they're pretty pricey. But if you take your cylinder, your CO2 cylinder, to the customer service, you just do a swap. In Canada, it costs about 20 bucks, and in the US, it costs about $16, $15, $16 to refill one of these, or just do the swap for a full one. So if you have any questions, I think I covered everything, but if you have any questions, put them down below and I'll answer them. Please like and please share and subscribe.